boost that population. Because we want to see skies full of macaws for generations to come that look a little bit like this. Now this is a site worth protecting in wild places. And we've got all sorts of macaw species joining us, but I definitely want to point out those blue-throated macaws like these two right behind me. That's Toulouse and Cletus. We even have some landing right here in front of me as well. That's a really rare species I mentioned before. Only around 400 left in the wild today currently, which is why it's so important we share all these different species with you here at Winged Encounters. But our birds might take off, so definitely keep those phones and cameras up because they might be heading off on their next adventure. Wow, and off they go! We want to thank you all so much for joining us here today at Winged Encounters!